Here's something crazy about the Mustang that I've never seen before. Brand new battery. There was a no start issue with it. So it would start sometimes. Sometimes you would turn the key and there would be full loss of power. Power when you put the key in, and then as soon as you turn it, all power lost, all lights off, everything. So I looked up a bunch of stuff. It said possible ignition switch, which is this guy right here. So I went and bought a new one. And this guy, I'm going to take the panels off, obviously. And this thing is right up in here. So you take the screw out, whole thing. This comes apart. And popped the new one in. After doing that, it was happening still the same exact way. So left that ignition switch in. I figured I'll just try to reseat the cables or something. So originally when we first got this battery, it came with battery terminal protector. I used this on these. So I put connections on, tighten them, and then I just put it over top. I didn't put it between the terminal and this clamp end here. So I just put it over the top on both of these posts. All I did was take these off, clean them all up inside and out, got all of this goop off, and it has started perfectly every single time since. So just so you know, for whatever reason, this was preventing me from being able to start the car fully. I know it doesn't happen on every battery and with every type of battery terminal protector, but now you know this is what happened to me.